Tired of juggling multiple phones just to stay connected on WhatsApp? Today, I'll show you exactly how to use the same WhatsApp account onto phones, expanding your accessibility and making communication a breeze. First, on your primary phone, the one with your active WhatsApp account, open WhatsApp and tap the three dots in the top right corner to access the menu, then select Link Devices. Now, tap on Link a device. You may be prompted to use your fingerprint, Face ID, or device passcode for security verification. Now, on your secondary phone, go to Google Play Store or App Store, download and install WhatsApp. After installation, open WhatsApp on your secondary phone. Instead of entering your phone number, look for the option to link with phone number, link a device, or use companion mode. It might be represented by three dots in the corner or a small link at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it. A QR code will now appear on your secondary phone. Use your primary phone to scan this QR code. Simply point your phone's camera at the QR code displayed on the secondary device. Once the QR code is scanned, WhatsApp will begin sending your chats and contacts to the secondary phone. You'll now see your WhatsApp account active on both devices. Remember that if your primary phone is inactive for a long period, the linked device might automatically log out. You can manage your linked devices from your primary phone under the Linked Devices section here. You can see all the devices currently logged into your account and log them out if needed. And that's it. Now you can seamlessly manage your WhatsApp conversations across multiple devices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful WhatsApp tips and tricks.